All right, so today I'll be showing you the differences between object mode and edit mode. Okay, let's get into it. Object mode is where you can select your objects, move them, rotate them, and scale them. Okay, and if you want, you can duplicate them and all of that stuff, right? So physically moving the object in the world space, placing them, aligning them, that can be done in object mode. It's pretty simple to understand. Edit mode is basically when you alter the mesh itself. Now, how do we go to edit mode? It's pretty simple. You can see object mode over here. You just click on this and go into edit mode. So, welcome to edit mode. Now, I'll show you how to select each component. There are two ways of doing this. First is on this top bar, you can see that this is vertex mode. You have three modes: vertex, edge, and face. Vertex mode is basically when you select individual vertex. And remember, 4 vertex makes 1 face. So now that you're in vertex mode, you can select each vertex and then every single thing like move, rotate, and scale usually works on the components even in edit mode. Now, because this is a vertex, rotating and scaling it just does not make any sense. So the main thing you can do with vertices is basically move them. And what the heck is happening? I just realized I had duplicated the object, but yeah, he had his twin brother fused into him. Okay, let's try that again. So select this vertex. Now if I press G, you can see that I can move it. This is now altering the mesh itself. That is what edit mode is for. And now that I have pressed G, you guys remember, if I press X, it means move the vertex on the X axis. Y, move it on Y. Z, move it on Z, right? That's what you can do with vertex. And now if you select this mode here, which is the edge selection mode, this is what an edge is. Remember again, 4 edges make a face, 3 make a try, and more than 4 is called an n-gon. Okay? Now, because you have an edge, and an edge is 2-dimensional because it has a start point and an end point. And now because you have that, you can move it again, like I showed you on the X, Y, and Z. You can now rotate this as well. Oh, you stop dancing. Okay. So again, on the X, you can't do it on the Y, obviously, because, you know, it's on the Y axis, but you can definitely do it on the Z. And the third mode is face selection. So you come here and you can select face. Now you can select the whole face itself. And you guys guessed it, you can move it on different things. You can move it on different axes, right? So all of that cool thing. Now, for a few shortcuts so that you guys don't have to go all the way here and always change modes. So the shortcut key to change from object mode to edit is Tab. If I hit Tab, you can see that it switches between edit and object mode. While you are in edit mode, if you press the 1, 2, 3 on your keyboard, 1 selects vertex mode, you see that it's gone to vertex, 2 selects edge mode automatically, and 3 selects face mode. So 1, 2, 3. Object mode is when you take the object itself as a whole and move it around and edit it, right? And edit mode is when you go into the component selection of that object and alter the mesh. And that's how it works. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. In the next video, we will actually go for tools and selection tools. And I will show you how you can go into edit mode and actually start creating shapes. And we'll take an example shape and we'll try to create it next video. All right, till next time, I love you all. Saurabh signing out.